YouTube? Y'all know it's your boy Shan from TDS, and I'm back with another video. Y'all see my man, like I said, I be winning this stress and no support. But right now I got a video for y'all. It's a I got this custom jump shot. Now I got 3 jump shots for y'all. One's for park, one is for career, and one is for pro am. Now I'm finna show y'all these jump shots for finna show you the first one. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, well this is the one I have. This is the jump shot I use for park right now. I used to use this for pro am, but now I use it for park. Just a random, it's the quick jump shot. Most of y'all probably already know about it already, so really not gonna get into it. But I just be shooting. It's not really legit. You know what I'm saying? I just be shooting. I don't really be I don't really take too serious. If y'all see my videos, and y'all know I be raging at the same time and just do something. You know what I'm saying? But cause 2K really be making me mad. But this is the jump shot I use for park. Now I'm finna let y'all know the first jump shot I use it for MyCareer. I'm finna show y'all how to make it. Hold on. First one, these are just random names. Y'all see water shot, the cat's nasty, but these are just random names. Oppo, this is my first one. Finna show y'all what I use for this one. Alright, so and y'all can read it down there. Yeah, I got my base is Ray Allen, and then my release is James Harden and Carmelo. Ray Allen base, cause you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I just feel like it would, you know what I'm saying, this is the first jump shot that I actually succeeded in. Like the rest of the jump shots at the top I couldn't use for real, but I use James Harden as my upper release 1, and then Carmelo Anthony for upper release 2. I use James Harden for like all 3 of these jump shots, cause that man is just wet. I mean, y'all know that. But now this is the part. Now you don't use, for all you quick shooters out there, don't use full speed, but you can use full speed. I've tried it already, and it's a straight jump shot. But you go a little over half, and then you gotta you get James Harden 35 and Carmelo 65. Now you can switch up and go to James Harden 65. You know what I'm saying? But me personally, I do mine with Carmelo at 65. So you know. But I'm finna show y'all this gameplay of me shooting the ball. Now this is my career jump shot. So you know what I'm saying? I get 4 bars, whatever. But like, you're gonna see me miss or whatever, but I'm just saying, like, but this jump shot is good for my career. It's not, I've tried it at pro am, I've tried it at park, it's not the same. So I'd rather y'all just use this for my career. Like, this only jump shot, just use this jump shot for my career. It's not good for no other jump shot. Y'all see me making shots, I know I'm 2 for 4, but still. But yeah, this jump shot is good for my career. Like, I've used this jump shot, I've gotten greens a lot, like probably most I've gotten in one game is probably like 11 or 12. So use the jump shot for my career. It's very good for my career. But then I'll tell you again, my game speed is on 100. That's how I use mine for my career. Some of y'all got y'all's on 75, 65, 50, but mine is on 100. So if you're gonna use a jump shot and try to master it, use it for 100 so it goes fast enough. But that's my first jump shot. I'm gonna introduce y'all to my next jump shot. I think the next one is my park jump shot, I believe. Well, can't even remember. Alright, this is quick. Oh no, this is my pro am jump shot. Now this jump shot, y'all, well, I don't make a lot of pro am videos, so I can't. It doesn't say, first of all, it doesn't say jump shot 22. It says jump shot 9. I don't know why it does that. 2K be tripping. Y'all see down at the bottom it'll say 9. But this is the jump shot I use for pro am. Now I don't make a lot of, like I said, I don't make a lot of pro am videos. And then that release 1, I didn't mean to use Carmelo. I meant to use that. But for this is just I use for pro am. Now, like I said, I don't really make videos for pro am, but if you watch me, if you ever play with me, then you know that I have that fucking burner from the 3-point line with this jump shot. This is the quick jump shot. It's real quick. Y'all know about jump shot 9. Base 9. It's quick. Now the blend, you do y'all can see I got James Harden. Now you can, like I said before, you can do 60-40 James Harden way, or for some of y'all can switch it up and do 60-40 or 60-40. Oh, I thought I did 60-40 or 55-45 for Stephen Curry. But because Stephen Curry do got a good jump shot, so that's why I ended up switching it. Now I had 60-40 James Harden before, but I switched it for this video. Now y'all see me shoot the ball. You see, like, it's a real quick jump shot. I don't use it for my career. Now this is my career game speed. I don't really use my career because sometimes it's too fast to the point where either I think I'm finna release it late, or I'll be trying to release it, like, I'll be trying to get a green and I end up releasing it too early. So I don't use the jump shot for my career because I'll be missing, like, I miss a lot of shots. Like I probably went for threes. Like, all I do is shoot threes. You know, so I got a shot creator and sharpshooter. So my career I only shoot threes. But y'all see me making shots. I didn't know I made this video. But all I shoot is threes on my career. So the jump shot probably made me go like 8 for probably from 3-point 8 for like 17, yeah, so or 8 for 19, 8 for sometimes 8 for 24. So I be having bad percentages because I be trying to release too early. So don't use the jump shot. Unless your game speed is slower, then maybe you can. But I don't use the jump shot for my career. But this is my quickie jump shot. It's pretty quick. So for any of y'all, like people been asking me about what jump shots I use for every 2K I've ever played. So I be having custom jump shots. But that's my quickie jump shot. Hope y'all. If y'all like that, then y'all can use that. I'm gonna go into my next jump shot. This is the jump shot I use for. Well, this jump shot I used to use this. Like this is my old park jump shot. Like this is the jump shot I used to use for park. And then I had it doesn't say, yeah, at the bottom it said Denzel Russell. Do not look at that. Glenn Robinson. Do not believe that. But I use this jump shot like when I just feel like, now this is the best jump shot I've ever used at park. I changed it to that quickie jump shot, but I used to use it for park. Now I used to get a lot of greens with this jump shot, like a lot. So it had came down to it where it was too slow. Like I don't even like slow jump shot. This jump shot is really slow, but if you're one of those type of shooters, then this jump shot will really help. Like I'm so for real. But it got too slow for me, so I really couldn't use it. So I had to change it. But y'all see James Harden, Stephen Curry now. Me personally, I got James Harden 60-40. But you know what I'm saying, you can switch it up to Stephen Curry is probably, I don't know, me I think James Harden is better than 60-40, but some people like Stephen Curry jump shots, you know what I'm saying, you use Stephen Curry jump shots. But now you'll probably see me miss a couple. I haven't used the jump shot in so long, so you'll probably see me release early or release late. I ain't used the jump shot in probably like 3 months, so I can't really sit there and tell you. But this when I used to use jump shot at the playground, like when I first switched to this jump shot, that's how I got my record back positive. Like my record was so negative. Like it was like I was probably like 30. I was probably 30 something, 70 or 80 something. So this jump shot really changed my record. I used to use straight James Harden Carmelo mix with I forgot what base I used to use. I can't remember. I used to use Lonzo. If y'all go back to my jump shots, and you'll see the name Lonzo. I used to use Lonzo, but that jump shot was so trash using that Lonzo jump shot. But this jump shot really brought my record back. I barely missed shots, so you know it really changed my record around, and I appreciate this jump shot. I don't know how I even came up with this, to be honest. It just came up out of nowhere. I don't know why. I don't even know why I got it. I think I watched a game or something and seen D'Angelo Russell just shoot the ball. This is when he played for the Lakers. So I don't know. I was just like, man, I'm gonna use this jump shot, and then it didn't work for me at the career, but it started working for me at the park. So I was like, you know what I'm saying. But those are my 3 jump shots. Hope this video helped y'all. I hope y'all subscribe. Now this has been Sham from TDS, and shit. Appreciate the video. Subscribe, and I'm out.